if you wanna know my thoughts about this product, about the I think never mind. Let's just go here.
Ain't no way.
Hey girl, so today we're not gonna talk about much. We're not gonna talk anything much today. But since yesterday, I've been waiting for this order like so bad. Like yesterday, I was really worried about this because when I ordered this thing, it actually said that 7 to 10 business days, which means no weekends. So meaning yung weekends hindi siya counted. And it's now the 11th day, pang 11th day niya ng order na to. And I'm really excited about this. First, when opening a package, bitch, you need a knife, bitch. You know, because our nails can't do it. Like, let's be honest, girl. So let's open! So before we open, we need to make sure that the camera is focusing on us because we're the subject. So, we're going to open it. Thumbnail. Okay, so where do we open this shit? So it's actually my second box Beauty Bay. So I ordered my stuff. Stupid. I ordered my stuff in Beauty Bay, guys. Beauty Bay. Beauty Bay. Wow, this package is like really sealed, and you can literally assure that your order is safe with them. I love you, Beauty Bay. Sponsor me. Let's upgrade our knife. Hang on, this. Anyways, let's go. It's really strong. Ow! Char. So here it is. So, as you can see, guys, like the previous box that I got from Beauty Bay is like, I'll link the video down below. And I got that package from my friend, which is Rania, and she ordered that thing from Beauty Bay also. And I also ordered another stuff from Beauty Bay, so it's actually same packaging and stuff. They actually have this kind of thing for protection. This is the product. This is the product, and then this is the thing here with you. Like, I love you so much, Beauty Bay. Like, just keep what you're doing because, girl, I'll support you no matter what. I love you, Beauty Bay. Sponsor me. So this is the thing, the box under the box. So it actually has three stuff like this. But I'm thinking if I'm going to recycle this or not, girl, because we love trees and we don't want to cut them out. So what they actually did is they have two here, and then the product, they have two here, two papers, and then the... So basically, guys, I actually started with a drugstore eyeshadow palettes, and I think that why not purchase a Morphe eyeshadow, and it's gonna be my first high-end eyeshadow. I don't know if Morphe is considered as a high-end eyeshadow palette, but I guess it is. So it's gonna be my first Morphe / high-end eyeshadow palette. So it comes with a bubble wrap. Damn, I feel like a YouTuber, girl. So after that after that bubble wrap, this is it. Oh my god! First of all, in the picture, guys, in the Beauty Bay pictures or in any other pictures everywhere, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere, it literally feels like I literally can see that the Morphe is like actually really big. But when you see the personal, it's actually quite small, but not that big. Like, this is my face. Oh, I have a humongous face, by the way. So this is my face, and this is the palette. It's that big. And then this is my hand, so it's like it's not really big. It's actually just perfect. But I was expecting that it's gonna be really big, and I was really like, where I'm gonna put this? I don't have any drawers here. I only have the drawers, but the small drawers. Anyway, let's go here to the Morphe 3502 palette. I did another bubble wrap, stress free. You know what I mean, guys? Like, Like that. I love that thing. So here's, oh my god, it's really small. I really thought that this palette is quite big. Like, I really thought that it's gonna be bigger. The packaging, of course, is a lot more bigger than the product. Of course, girl. Of course, fun. Dumbass. So, that's the thing. And then when you sell it, that's it. And this one is the Morphe 3502. The reason why I didn't get the Morphe 350, because it's like everyone has that palette. But I'm like, I'm gonna go with 3502 because I love the warm shades. And I love the warm, is it one? Yeah, the autumn shades, you know what I mean? Like a lot more orange and red. So, sit. So, I'm gonna open this one. So, here you go, guys. When you open the palette, oh my god, I can't believe. I feel like I'm literally dreaming so bad. So, when you open the palette, you'll receive this plastic thing where this is the name of the shades, or basically name of the shades. And then my favorite part, which is the swatching part. So since this palette is like this, the thing, oh my god, I can't speak, I'm sorry. The shade that's calling literally my name is this shade. Oh my god, so oh my god! Oh my! Then the next shade that I'm going to switch for you guys is this orange shimmer. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, can you guys see it? If you want to see some of the swatches, I'll make a separate video about this one, but this is for this vlog. And I'm going to show you another one, which is the black one, because literally have. Oh my god. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes, honey. That is it for today's vlog, guys. Naisipan ko lang na parang, why not vlog myself for like receiving my first ever high-end / Morphe eyeshadow palette. I feel so happy, but if there's one thing for sure, I'm going to make a separate video about the Morphe 3502 and I'll serving you looks with that. And I'm also going to compare my other eyeshadow palettes with the Morphe 3502 so you'll have an idea how pigmented it is. Super pigmented. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not sure if I'm going to add some videos or other vlogs here, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed my vlogs. Please to subscribe if you haven't already, and always remember to put your packness to the next on down. Always remember, put your packness to the next level. See you guys in my next video. I literally can't speak. I'm so wow, Lord, thank you for the life.